Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about a new feminine product that I found at the drugstore. So if you want to see what it is, then so as you guys know, I do love to use powders, deodorants, and sprays and things like that. I do have issues with scents that shouldn't be there lingering. So I do use a variety of washes and powders and things like that. I do use a feminine wash in the shower. I do use feminine powders. I use the feminine sprays from the drugstore. And I did find a new powder. I used to use the Vagisil powder, but all of my products were under the Summer's Eve brand, my wipes and the spray. And Summer's Eve actually came out with a powder, and this is the Summer's Eve Island Splash Body Powder. Always talc free, because the talc is actually what causes cancer in most powders. That's why people think it's very scary to use a powder in that area, but if it's talc free, you don't really have to worry. This is the 5-in-1, neutralizes odor, absorbs moisture, silky smooth formula, talc free, clinically tested, safe scents. This is 8 ounces. It says to use daily after bath or shower for external use only. There's not many ingredients in this, but I did notice that with this one, it doesn't really clump up as much when I use it. It's more of a smooth powder formula. It lays very nicely. It's not like a chunky powder, if you know what I'm talking about. And I kind of like the scent of this one a lot better. The other one was just kind of a plain powder scent. On the back it says ordinary things like crossing your legs, working out, getting your period, or even getting up close and personal can have you feeling less fresh. Well, we have some good news for you. The answer is in this bottle. Only Summer's Eve gives you 5 fresh benefits in one lightly scented powder. Our safe scents quality standards ensure that the fragrance you love and gentle enough for your most delicate skin. Even better, gynecologists give it the green light for everyday use. So sprinkle a little onto your external vaginal area or all over your total body for confidence. More powder to you. I am obsessed with this powder. I'm not going to go back to the other one just because it's a lot lighter for me. I don't really like heavier powders. But yeah, this guy was, I think, $8.99. I think it was $8.99 when I found it at the drugstore. I'm sure you can get this guy on Amazon. But I just wanted to update you with it because I have talked about feminine products on my channel before. And this was a new find for me. So if you're in the market for a feminine product, or you're having issues with moisture or unwanted scents in that area, this is definitely a cure for that and definitely everyday use. So yeah, if you guys have any questions on this guy, please leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer your questions or anything like that. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on notifications to be notified for when I post videos, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!